The market is not getting the high publicity of trading at new highs consistently over the past 2 weeks. There's been 12 days in a row now where the Dow has hit new all-time highs, not being seen very much in the media, which makes this a strong trend because once the media kind of relinquishes the political aspects that this is a Trump rally continuing, and everybody is aware of it, that's where the exuberant buying starts coming in at the top of a trend. Right now, it's not moving with any great exuberance, just kind of steady uptrend. We could see that in the Dow when there was a wave one, wave two, with the expectation now when they broke out through this level with strong candlestick buy signals that wave three was going to be the same magnitude as wave one. The NASDAQ has been consistently confirming that situation with 4 or 5 weeks up, profit taking, 4 or 5 weeks up, profit taking. We've just now gone through another 4 or 5 weeks of uptrend with what looks like a little bit of profit taking. But with the confirming indicator, such as the T line, where the NASDAQ has not been able to close below the T line, that's additional confirmation the uptrend remains in progress. Because the graphics of candlesticks tells us exactly what's happening in investor sentiment, we can see what happened in Labu, the biotech 3 leveraged bull fund. Big, strong day. What that tell us was going on? Probably a J-hook pattern. And we closed just above the recent high over here, which tells us if this continues in an uptrend, that we want to have a little bit heavier proportion of our portfolio in the biotechs. This was adding confirmation to our recommendation today on CLDS, a biotech company. Notice the little hammer type signal, then a kicker type gap up, scoop type pattern. Today they opened positive above the 50. Not only is this a strong candlestick chart, but the upside potential is still another 30% to the upside, filling this gap, and up all the way up in this range where there's further gaps, you could have more than 100% upside potential. The benefit of the graphics, the candlestick charts, is not only does it tell you where you are in a trend, how strong your signals are, but you can use all the other techniques that Western investors use, like filling the gap, breaking through moving averages. We see exactly what's happening at those levels. This allows the candlestick investor to constantly be in the right place at the right time. It also points out which sectors or which stocks are having the strongest potential price moves. Our recommendation on ESPR was based upon the kicker type signal that broke out of this fry pan bottom pattern. And what is our criteria for staying long? As long as we don't see it close below the T line. Now we see that ESPR closed right at the highs. If it opens positive, that tells us we've got a J-hook pattern still in progress. There's still another potential move of this magnitude. That'll be it. We'll see you in the chat rooms.